Hi, my name is Azavel Eckford and I work at Evanston Public Library. Today, we are going to make a mini catapult out of cardboard. It's for a citywide challenge called Cardboard Carnival. Now, I have personally never made a mini catapult before out of cardboard, so I had to find a tutorial to kind of show me how to do it. I found a YouTube channel called stormthecastle.com and they show you how to make a bunch of fun things. Okay, so we're gonna watch that tutorial and I am going to try to follow the rules verbatim to make their version of a mini catapult. I hope you follow along too, because I would be curious to see how yours came out. I'll show you how mine came out at the end of this video. Stay tuned.
And here in YouTube Newbies Epic Fantasy, and this is my latest tutorial. This is a fun and easy and fast. You can do this in less than an hour. Cardboard catapult project. Very nice. You don't need a whole lot of stuff for this. A piece of cardboard, a rubber band, some glue, and a pencil. That's it. That's all you need. I give you the template. Print this up. There's the 5 pieces and put it together. And is it powerful? You're darn right it is.
One quick note. When I went to find a template to make the catapult, I couldn't get to the website. I don't know if you'll have that same issue. So what I've done is, if you look at the description below this video, you will find a link to the actual YouTube video and you can see if it works on your end. Otherwise, I basically looked at the screen, I paused it, and then I drew the schematics from what I can see. And I think I did a pretty good job. And so this next clip is going to be a picture of what I feel I saw.
There are 5 parts. I got it all figured out for you. And then cut those pieces out and lay them on cardboard and trace them. Now each one of those pieces, some of those pieces there is more than one, and I will show you that. See, some pieces have 5 and 7 and whatnot. Now the important thing about this is, see the corrugation in the cardboard goes in a particular direction? Lay some pieces that way and lay some pieces the other way, counter to the corrugation. This will make for a stronger catapult. And as you are tracing out the pieces, number them just like they are in the template. It'll make it easier to build. And then go ahead and cut them out. And if you want nice crisp cuts, use a ruler like this with a sharp knife, an X-Acto knife. That'll make nice crisp edges. So now let's glue some of this together. Let's take part number 1. There are 6 of those. And we're going to glue 2 stacks of 3. So glue 3 of them together and then glue another 3 together. 1, 2, 3. That's a stack. Put it aside and do it again for the remaining 3. And it's important to do this because you want your catapult nice and strong. So there you go. Now let's take a look at part number 2. There are 7 of these. So make stacks of 2. So glue one onto another one. And then do it again, glue one onto another one, stacks of 2. And then do it again, glue one onto another one. And then you end up with 1 remaining piece by itself, and that's good. We want that piece like this, there it is, not a double stack. So now let's put it together. Glue those 2s onto the end like this. Don't put them on the inside, put them on the end of that number 1 piece. Then glue another number 1 in here like this. Piece of cake. This is an easy catapult, and it's really powerful, and you'll have it done in no time at all, less than an hour. Now, on the bottom, let's glue on the remaining pieces here. Take your piece number 3 and glue that in the front, like that. And then take your single piece of number 2, your number 2 piece, and glue it there, like that. That's a single, not a double. And take your number 2 stack that you made, a double, and put it here. That's your crossbar. So now the swing arm. There are 4 pieces to this. Glue those together, one on top of the other. You want this to be nice and strong too. Now, depending on what you use for your pivot hinge, a pencil, a small pencil, a bigger pencil, a dowel, you might even be able to use a coat hanger. This is why I didn't put this in the template, but put it like this and mark it so it's in the rounded section about like that. And then pierce a hole in it. And make the hole large enough for your pencil or dowel. Like this. See, I'm using a dowel for this one. So make it large enough for the dowel. Very nice. Now we put holes. Oh, now we're going to mount the swing arm. See that crossbar number 2? Mark it like this, because the swing arm is going to come and stop right on that. So put it like this, right there, so it stops at a 45-degree angle, because that's maximum efficiency. And then mark it. Be right about there, and you want a little room underneath for it to swing. So mark that and pierce that hole. Same thing for the size of your tool, whether it might be your dowel or your pencil. And do the same thing on the other side. Left, we do it here on the left, and then we do it on the right also. And that's it, we're almost done here, see? So now what happens is, you put your pencil in there, put the swing arm with the notch down for the rubber band, push it through, and then push it through the other side too. And that's it. This is what we have. There we go, very nice. I like it. Now the rubber band goes like this. And that's it, we're just about done here. Here. One more thing to do, and you put it on there like that now. Very good. Nice and powerful. And you can tinker with that rubber band. Now the cup. Piece number 5. Cut partially through it like this. Only go through the top layer of paper on those dotted lines. And then fold it like this to make a cup. Glue those together or tape them. And then glue it onto the swing arm like this. Leaving yourself enough room at the top to fit your finger so you can pull it down. See that right there? You want room there for your finger to pull it down. And you're done. Does it work? You're done too, and it works.
Welcome back, family. I just want to give a shout out again to the original creator of this cardboard catapult, the good people over at stormthecastle.com. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial as much as I did. So how did you guys do? I'm going to show you mine in just a second. Hold on. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Here's my catapult after watching the tutorial. This is what I made. So the reason why I ended up using a spoon is because the one part I made a little too small. So this part right there, I ended up making it a little too small. And I was like, you know what? Rather than cut out more cardboard, I could just add a spoon. And I think I like the way the spoon looks a little better. And I think it helps me shoot things a little better, which I'll show you right now. 5, 4, 3. All right, people, here we go. So the moment of truth. Does the catapult work? So here it is. I just showed it to you a moment ago, and as you can see, it goes pretty good. So I just took some tape and made little tape projectiles. So my goal is to get it to at least that shelf. Let's see if it works. So we're here, boom. Oh. The tape kind of stuck a little bit. Let's try that again. All right, here we go, boom. Went pretty far. Let's see. Let's try this one. Got another one. There we go. Boom. going pretty far. See that? So let's try it again. Boom. It's just balled up tape. Put it in there, holds it pretty good. No, that. Pretty good. Now my spoon is facing a little bit, you know, to the left. Let me grab one of them. Do it again. I adjust my spoon. Try to make it go a little bit more straight. So let's see. So, boom. Do that. All right, so a little more straight now. We got that one in there. Let's try one more. Boom. Pretty good, I would say. All right, that's the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope your catapult looks pretty good. Hope you have fun with it. And I'll see you at the showcase. Again, my name is Oswald Eckford. I work for Evanston Public Library, and this tutorial is for our citywide challenge called the Cardboard Carnival. Till next time, peace.